Point, Shaina, in fact, we spoke about the Vodafone exposure to IDFC First Bank. We had the management join us, Mr. Vaidyanath, and he did say that the funded exposure to Vodafone is just around 2,000 odd crores. The rest, which is around 1,250 odd crores, is non-funded. And even if they account for an entire exposure which is eroded, their capital adequacy will be over 14%. The stock's down 18% this month itself. So let's see, how much of that is priced in or not. But be that as it may, Aditya, your thoughts on these stocks, and if the call is to go ahead and exit them and, consolidate, reinvest in other places. He has exposure to the banking space, power space, and autos. Do you think there are better levels for him to exit, or maybe he just exit now? And what are the better charts in these three spaces?
Mangalam. So yes, definitely, I believe one of the stocks, NTPC, he should look to exit because honestly, stock doesn't do anything, and as an investor, you would want your money to multiply, and NTPC is one of those which continues to lag behind. I would recommend to exit. 120 is a stiff resistance zone for NTPC, and stock has been continuously making lower lows, lower highs. I would recommend him to, if he's looking something in the power space, probably look at a Torrent Power, or maybe for that matter, Kalpataru Power. Torrent Power definitely looks attractive at these levels, and is looking something in the power space. He should definitely switch from NTPC to a Torrent Power. Talking of IDFC First Bank, stock is already corrected significantly and sitting at oversold levels at current levels, Bangladesh. Not one of those stocks that I would recommend strongly to hold in the portfolio, but yes, he can wait for a slightly short covering rally in the stock and then look to exit. Close to about 48 is he can look to exit the stock. Between 45 to 48 is where the resistances are. So probably you can look to exit around those levels and switch to a better private bank like an HDFC Bank, which is really looking attractive on the charts and underperformed its peers, be it an ICICI Bank or an Axis Bank. So it's a matter of time before HDFC Bank starts to make higher highs. So definitely, I would recommend him to switch from an IDFC First to an HDFC Bank. And talking of Minda,